Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to remove the first or last character from a text string in Excel. Let me know in the comments which method you prefer. Method 1. Using left, right and len functions. Remove the first character. Start with the right function. The syntax is right open bracket, text, comma, number of characters, close bracket. To remove the first character, we want all characters except the first one. To calculate that, use the len function to get the total length of the string and subtract 1. Right open bracket, C2, comma, len open bracket, C2, comma, close bracket, -1, close bracket. Press enter, and it returns the text without the first character. Remove the last character. Use the left function. Start with a simple example to understand the syntax. Left open bracket, text, comma, number of characters, close bracket. To remove the last character, we want all characters except the last one. Again, use len to calculate the total length, then subtract 1. Left open bracket, C2, comma, len open bracket, C2, close bracket -1, close bracket. Press enter, and it removes the last character. Method 2. Using the replace function. Remove the first character. Use the replace function with the syntax. Replace open bracket, old text, comma, start number, comma, number of characters, comma, new text, close bracket. For removing the first character, old text is your text string. E.g. C2 start num is one number, of characters is 1, or more if you want to remove multiple starting characters. New text is an empty string. Replace open bracket, C2, comma, 1, comma, 1, comma, close bracket. Press enter and it removes the first character. Remove the last character. Use the same replace function. To remove the last character, the start num is the length of the string, so we use len. Replace open bracket, C2, comma, len open bracket, C2, close bracket, comma, 1, comma, close bracket. Press enter, and it removes the last character. Copy the formula down to apply it to all text strings. And that's it. 2 easy ways to remove the first or last character from text strings in Excel. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.